What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. You guys already seen the title and the thumbnails. So yeah, guys, after waiting about 2 months, man, 2 months, finally my Coby wheel came in, my custom Coby wheels. All right, guys, so basically it's just like a CS design steering wheel. For the E46, I went with the blue straps, and as you guys already know, for the F80, I went with the red. I'm not really into a steering wheel that has a lot going on. I just like it nice and simple, like a CS design. So yeah, guys, should be a pretty quick, easy install. Let me go ahead and bring the E46, and I'm gonna go ahead and install this. I've been waiting, guys, almost 2 months, man. I'm really a big fan of the feel of the Alcantara. So yeah, guys, can't wait. Alright, guys, so the first thing you want to do is disconnect the battery, which is a 10 mil. Alright, guys, so once you have the batteries disconnected, what you're gonna have to do, there's 2 holes on each side right here. So the airbags is spring loaded kind of, so what you want to do is push on the springs and the airbag is going to come free. Alright, let me show you guys what I mean. As you guys can see, this spring right here is what locks the airbag into place. So when you push in, you're pushing on the springs and this is gonna come loose. So now we're just gonna go ahead and disconnect the airbag, and I'm gonna go ahead and remove the steering wheel. You're gonna need a 16 mm. I had to use both hands to break this loose, but you're gonna need a 60 mm. I got me my first carbon fiber piece. It's just an overlay, but it looks okay. And I'm thinking of doing a carbon fiber piece right here too. Let me know what you guys think. Or should I just go with an all black trim? You gotta go ahead and disconnect all the connectors from right here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and swap all this stuff over to the new steering wheel and reinstall it. Damn, look at how ugly this is, guys. I'm gonna have to replace this, both of them, probably just from the heat. So this is the old wheel, and this is my new Alcantara. I just love the way they feel, guys. You're gonna need a T15. guys, next you're gonna need one of these. Come on, focus, focus. One of these. It says it's a S2. And you're gonna need a T30. You're also gonna need a T10 for the little ground stud right here. Guys, I'm all done. She's ready to be installed in the car. Damn, man. Whew. Let me show you guys something, man. There's a little mark right here, and has to line up with the little mark in the steering wheel. You don't want to force it. If it doesn't line up, try again, but don't force it in. All right, there you go. Like I was saying, you see there's a mark right here. It has to be perfect like that. If it doesn't want to go in freely, just remove it and keep trying. A couple of times it's gonna slide right in. You don't want to force it, guys, girls. If you go ahead and strip that, you're gonna have a very, very bad day. A little bit of Loctite. 46 foot-pound. Alright guys, so don't forget to reconnect your batteries. Are done. And you guys have it. I think it looks really good. If anybody need the stock wheels, just go ahead and hit me up on IG. It is for sale. I'm really liking this build, guys. I got something ready good coming up in the next video. Gonna be upgrading the brakes. You guys don't want to miss that. Don't forget to smash that like, follow the build. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Peace.